Okay guys, now we do questions 21 and 22. And again, the location of questions 21 and 2, that can be one paragraph where you will find these two answers. Write the correct letters in boxes 21 and 22 on your answer sheet. Which two statements are made about round table on sustainable palm oil? Underline round table on sustainable palm oil. Two statements are made. Now listen. Will you read all the options A, B, C, D, E? Not at all. You will waste your time. First of all, we are going to find where have they given statements about the round table on sustainable palm oil. Paragraph? Okay. Alright. Please come to paragraph G and now listen. Both answers are going to be here. So what you have to do, you're going to skim read paragraph G. Skim read with retention. Retention means you will understand and retains, you will actually store some information and then we'll go back. So listen, we just read it together. Industry is now regulated by a group called Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil. And they said two statements. What is the question? Two statements are made. So we will look for those statements. Okay, consisting of palm oil growers, retailers, produced manufacturers and other interested parties. Now, please read from here. Over the past decades or so, an agreement has gradually been reached regarding standards that producers of palm oil have to meet. What is one statement? Standards that palm oil producers have to meet in order for their product to be regarded as officially sustainable. So what is the first statement? The statement is the producers of palm oil, they have to meet certain regulations in order for their product to be regarded as officially sustainable. Now please come back. Option A. Its membership has grown steadily. No, they didn't mention that. Option B. It demands that certified producers can open and honest about their practices. No. C. It took several years to establish its set of criteria for sustainable palm oil certification. Now what is that? Standard. They use the word regarding standards that producers of palm oil have to meet in order for their product to be regarded as officially sustainable. When the product is regarded, it means the product is certified. So for question number 21 or 22, answer is C. It took several years to establish its set of criteria for sustainable palm oil. Okay, now let's go on. Now we read ahead of it. After sustainable, the RSPO, found it? The RSPO insists upon no virgin forest clearing. Virgin forest means a forest which has not been cut before. So no clearing the forest. What are they doing? They are cutting the forest and there they are growing palm oil. So many different species of animals, they are becoming homeless. Right? So they say transparency and regular assessment of carbon stocks among other criteria. What are two criterias? Transparency and regular assessment of carbon stocks. Come back. Transparency and regular check of carbon stocks. Transparency. Transparency means being honest. When you are honest about something, you are transparent. Option B. It demands that certified producers be open and honest. Now go back and see what is the word for open. Transparency and regular assessment of carbon stocks among other criteria. So no virgin forest clearing. That is very clear, and transparency is for honest and regular assessment of carbon stock. So that is option B. It demands that certified producers be open and honest about their practices. So for question number 21, answer can be B, 22, answer can be C, or you can write in any order. Listen, for double multiple choice questions, you can write your answer in any order. Like 21 is B, 22 is C, both ways it's going to be right, okay? All right.